We all know that AI agents are everywhere, and this 2026 is going to be the year of AI agents. But building AI agents for enterprise is a totally different game. You need prompt engineering, you need pipeline to evaluate your agent, you need infrastructure because you want to scale the agent when it needs. You need guardrails so your agent can be secure against prompt injections. So these are a few really critical points that needs to be considered when you want to build AI agents for enterprise. Google just solved this with their new platform called CX Agent Studio, a broadly customer experience agent studio. This platform enables you to build agents at scale for enterprise. So let's directly go to the platform itself. In order to go to the platform, you need to go to ces.cloud.google.com, and when you go to this platform, you will redirect it to this project section. Since this is a Google product, it is tightly associated with GCP. You will first see the list of GCP project that you can work on. So I'll select a project on which I want to work. Once you select the project, it will show you list of AI agents that can be built under the project itself. Since I have been playing around with the platform, I have created my first agent here on the platform. And when I click on it, it shows this interface. This interface can be very intimidating because we are seeing lots of things here. But let's ourselves get familiar with the platform itself. On this left side, we have a simulator where you can interact with the agent. Then in this middle part, you have your agents and sub-agents. In each agent, you will have instruction. There is a facility to end the session and number of tools that are attached to the agent itself. This agent can then have multiple sub-agents, and obviously since a sub-agent is agent itself, this sub-agent will have instruction, end session, and number of tools that are connected. On this right side, you will have tools, variables, versions, guardrail, and global settings. So when I click here on the tools, you can create tools. There are a couple of different ways to create tools like cloud storage, data store, file search, Google search, integration connector. This is a third-party connector for different services. Then you can connect MCP server. Then you can connect your API via OpenAPI specification. Then you can run your Python code here, Salesforce, ServiceNow, website connector, and other connectors as well. Then there is this variables section. This variables section help you provide context of the user to the agent so that the responses are customized for that user. Then there is whole version section where you can create a new version or basically a snapshot of your AI agent. So in case something goes wrong, you can restore the previous working snapshot. Then there is this clear guardrail section. Here on the guardrail section, you can guard your agent against prompt based attack. You can blacklist certain words so that it will not process those words, and other things as well. Finally, we have a global setting where you can change everything. One interesting thing I want to show you is this language control. When I go into it, I can very easily add another language for the AI agent, and I don't have to do anything else except just adding a new language here. AI agent will handle everything on its own. So this is a really cool feature. From this setting itself, you can change the model that you want to use for AI agent. And here in the advanced section, you can tune features of speech, logging, and other tool related things. Now let's look into this upper part where we have a couple of sections. First, build, on which we are at this point. Then there is this evaluation section where you can save test cases and run multiple test cases on the single click of a button. So this part is really powerful, and I'm sure you know that how critical this part is. Then there is this deployment channels where you can create a new deployment and you can get instructions how to set this deployment. I'm sure you understand that how critical this deployment section is. You don't have to manage any infrastructure of the deployment channel. You just use it. Google manages it for you. I guess this is it from my side for this video. This Google's CX Agent Studio is looking really promising and powerful platform. In the upcoming days, I'm surely going to check out this platform and trying to build a couple of AI agents and then finally connecting them to communication channels. So watch out my YouTube channel in case you want to get notified for these new videos on my YouTube channel. I guess this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge. In case you find the content I put on my YouTube channel helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life. Feel the music. Peace.